Alright guys, on this one I've stuffed up and I did not make what I planned out to make, so I'd appreciate if you watch it and check out how and why I come up with this stupid bloody thing. Okay, so after some highly classified calculations, I've worked out what I want to cut, where I want to cut it, and what I'm going to do. Righto, so I put a bit of tape on my bit of steel here. Took me off cut I done earlier, laid it down there, made a mark, moved it along, made another mark, and I just, well they're 20 mil, so maybe I might do a few smaller ones, maybe I'll go 15 because I don't think 10's going to work for me. I'll start cutting this. I won't film that because it's just too noisy. I don't have the equipment to film properly yet. I'll get this cut up and we'll be back. Alright. Guys, so we're set up here. I've got my plate and the vise. Got me those things. Me cut off pieces sitting here. Just not really sure. I just got to line them up. Hope the helmet doesn't get in the way of the footage, guys. Got to place them out evenly there. Something like that. Hopefully they're clean enough to weld. So let's get in and start welding, eh? Number one done. Hang on a minute. Turns out you got to turn the thing on. Oh, this was registered back. She's registered, so don't worry. Alright, we'll try that again, eh? Now we've got power. Can't see. I'm just fussy, so I'm just getting the seams lined up. I'm not even sure if this is the right way to go about it. As I said, I'm new to this welding and metal and stuff. Alright, we'll give it a bit of a weld and see how we go, eh? Nah, fuck it, let's get into it. I'm not doing something right. I'm gonna need to clean this stuff up. Turns out you need all the pieces shiny, I think. Go do that and we'll get back and see how we go, eh? Have a crack. I use a block of timber so I don't burn my fingers. learned the hard way. I have to tell you guys, this grinding stuff is messy job. Those of you who like to work with timber, I suggest you stick working with timber. I'm more of a timber guy, but this stuff, it's for someone else. I'll give it a go, but so let's get to it, eh? Alright guys, let's try this again. Can't see a damn thing. I'll turn that off. Oh, I can see. More important for me to see than you guys, so. Sorry if I'm muffling. More important for me to see than you guys, because I need to know what I'm doing, even though I don't know what I'm doing. Ah! Got to turn the bloody thing on. It's on. Did I say I don't know what I'm doing? It's holding this time. Barely. I don't even know if I'm in the right spot. Open the window. Your door. Apparently this shit's poisonous. I think I read I need ventilation. Well, that's not what I want. You know what? Stuff it. Okay guys, so this didn't work out as planned, but I did come up with this. After I flipped my lid and walked away and had a beer and calmed down, I just thought stuff it. I'm not going to try, and I just started using the welder, and when I just didn't really care, I actually done a little bit better, even though this ain't great. But yeah, since I didn't make the piece that I wanted to make, but hey, I just had a bit of fun with the welder and ended up making this. So yeah, and I don't know if I'll be doing much wood metal work in the future, because as you can see from this video, I just don't have the time or patience for it. But this thing come out alright, pretty cool. As old mate say, funkadelic. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe and keep watching, and I'll get there and I'll keep trying to film some more stuff for you. So, thanks a lot. See you on the next one.